So today I'm just going to unbox the Chromebook that is from Lenovo. Let's open and check. So it really comes within a good packing inside, safe and secure. So just two things, laptop and power cable adapter. And here is the leaflet with some details. Looks really power cable, we just have to connect here. 7 ampere 125 volt. Let's open it. It really looks beautiful. You can see the keypad. It has Lenovo icon here, Intel inside, Energy Star. That's the keypad. This is the speaker, and I really like the way it is showing up there. You can see it from the zoom. Let's check the ports on the side. Here we can see it has HDMI and USB cable attachment, and here we have the volume up and down. This is the power button. If we go on the other side, we can see it has a micro SD card slot, headphone jack, another USB and USB-C. So let's switch it on, but before that I can show you. If you look on the screen here, you can see there is a button here that is to hide the camera or just to use it. Press the power button and release it. So right now I think it needs a power adapter because it's not charged. So let's charge it. Connect here. That's the orange light here, so that means power connection is there. So it has just switched on itself.
The screen reader on Chrome OS, Chromebox, is primarily used by people with blindness or low vision to read text.
If we look here, we can click on the get started, select your Wi-Fi, enter your password, so it's connecting. Select the usage, next. The first thing it's going to do is to do the update. So just wait for the updates to finish. It will take less time, just depends upon the speed of the internet. So we just finished the update. Next is to enter the Google account and password. Select it, click next. Just review the terms and conditions and then accept and continue. Sync the things, or you can just click accept and continue. Make a pin, click next. Type again. This is also a touch screen, so we can just enter like this. Click done. Touch screen is nice, it's responsive, working good. Now we can just skip it so that we can see everything showing up there. No thanks. Skip. Get started. Yes, so that's here. That's our beautiful Chromebook and we can clearly see how nice it is. So we have all the things here. So let's go to YouTube. So let's check how fast is that. That's the video. Next I'm going to show you how long it takes to shut down and to restart. So first I'm just going to switch it off. So click here, shut down. Let's see. That's just few seconds. Let's restart it. So power button is here, just I'm going to press it. Pressed it once. We'll see if it starts with that. Yeah, that worked. Now there is another good feature about this Chromebook. You can move it and make it as a tablet. So it goes all the way down like this. Or you can just keep it like this. YouTube. So you can see screen is really fast and responsive. Loads up the page quickly. Let's type something. Just my channel name. Printer settings. I think this is a really good budget Chromebook and it really works better. Screen is good, it's touch screen, its processor is fast. That's our channel. So this video is going to be uploaded in the channel again and you will see on the main page sooner. If you by mistake press the buttons when you are using it as a tablet mode, these buttons won't do anything. See, it's not going to change anything on the screen. Whatever you have to do is just from the here, or you can also do it like this. So any way you want, you can use it. I think this is best for the students back to the school. It's a great thing to use. I like this Chromebook because it's very good for the students, even for the person who want to just scroll the web browser, use it as to check the emails and just the basic functions. And if you just want to use the Google Slides, this works as a tablet and the brightness and everything is great. See, you can change everything from here and the touch screen is really responsive, it's good. All the apps and options are available there. So I even tried to use a Prime Video on it, so that was working nice too. I'll just show you here. So the good thing is, like, this works as a tablet, laptop. It's really a good Chromebook. Hopefully this will help you to decide if you really want it or any other one.